Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving 9th problem in exercise 2.2. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous problems. To check it out, it would be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. 9th question is, find the least number that is divisible by the first 10 natural numbers. We have to find out the least number that is divisible by first 10 natural numbers. What is natural numbers here? Natural numbers are the numbers which will be starting from 1, 2, 3 and goes on. Okay, that is natural numbers. So here first 10 natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? These are all the numbers. In this case, we are going to find out LCM of these 10 natural numbers. Okay, that is the answer of this whole problem. Okay, we need to understand the question properly. Here the question is, find the least number. That's what we are going to find out, LCM. LCM is nothing but least common multiple. Okay, now we can see the solution. For the solution, I have written the given data in the question. What is given in the question? That is first 10 natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to find out LCM of these all these 10 numbers. So if I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together we can find out the LCM. This one is already this one number 1 is there. So this is second number, right? I'm going to make this 2 into number 1. So for that, what we have to do? We need to divide this 2 by 2. Then so I can take the smallest number 2. Okay, 2 over here. Whatever number is getting divided by 2 completely, we have to divide that number. If it is not, we have to write the number as it is. In next step, we are going to find out a particular number. Okay, now 1, 2 by 2, answer 1, right? 3 by 2, the remainder will be coming. So I'm writing 3. If I'm dividing 4 by 2, I'll be getting 2, right? And then 5, 6 by 2, 3, and 7, 8 by 2, 4, 9, 10 by 2, 5, right? And again I can divide by 2. So I can take 2, 1, 1, 3, 1. And then 5, 3, 7, 4 by 2, 2, right? So 9, 5. Again I'm having 2 over here, so I can take 2 again. 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 7, 2 by 2, 1, right? 1, 9, 5. And what is the next smallest prime factor? 3, right? After 2, prime factor is 3. So I can take 3 now. 1, 1. If I am dividing 3 by 3, I'll be getting 1. 1, 5, 3 by 3, 1. Again 7, 1. If I am dividing 9 by 3, I'll be getting 3, right? 3, 5. And in next step, you have to write it continuously. Since I have no space over here, I am writing here. Write the prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Remaining 4 times 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 3, 5. 1, 7, 1, 3, 5. I can take 3. Because I'm having 3 over here, I can divide 3 by 3 completely. So I'm taking 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 1, right? 3 by 3, 1. So 1. And now next, after 3, what would be the next prime, smallest prime factor? 5, right? I can take 5 because I'm having 5 over there. That's what I'm taking 5. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 by 5, 1, 1, 7, 1, 1, 5 by 5, 5 by 5, 1. So here I have 7. So I can take 7 next. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 10 times 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So the prime factors are first 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next 3. 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 3 times coming. So I can write 2 power 3. 3 is also coming 2 times. So I can take 3 power 2, right? And 5 into 7. 2 into 2. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. And then 3 power 2 means 3 into 3. That is 3 into 3, 9. Then 5 into 7. How much? 8 nines are 72, right? 72 into 5 into 7. 72 into 5. How much? 5 into 2, 10. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 1, 36. Then 36, 360 into 7. 360 into 7. 0. 6 7s are 42, 4. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. The final answer is 2520. LCM of first 10 natural numbers is 2520. How we can write the answer? LCM of first 10 natural numbers equal 10 natural numbers. How much? 2520. This is the answer of problem number 9 in exercise 2.2. This is all about 9th problem in exercise 2.2. The basic thing is you have to know the concept of LCM so that you can solve this problem easily. Before starting this problem, you have to understand the concept of LCM. That's it. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.